No, but I was totally cool when I walked in the store, right? Like I said, I want them, and then I slammed my card down on the table.
You didn't do any one of those things.
I mean, I still bought them.
It's true, but it's baller.
So by this point, we all know 37 people that own AirPods. We all know 27 people that brag ironically about owning AirPods. I mean, yeah, it's a cool $160 headphone, and it's funny that you're rich if you own them. I honestly do enjoy the memes and everything, and they've really taken over social media over the past month. And you sit on a New York subway, everyone is wearing AirPods. I guarantee you count it out, 80% of people on a New York subway car have AirPods in their ears. And it's been an amazing commercial and social media success. Louis Vuitton wanted to take it one step farther last week though. They released a pair of Louis Vuitton Air Pods for $995. They released them in 4 colors: red, black, white, and a black, blue, and orange striped version. $995 for a pair of Louis Vuitton headphones. That is so ridiculously overindulgent. I just can't help but love it. So behind us is the Louis Vuitton store in Midtown Manhattan. I still can't believe I've never spent more than $60 on a pair of headphones in my life. We're about to up that by about 15 times. $995 on a pair of wireless earphones. You know what? Screw it. Let's do it. Freaking goodness. I actually just bought this. This is probably the best dumb purchase I've ever made in my life, to be fair. These things are hilarious. Louis Vuitton AirPods, $995. I got the last pair they had at the store. Apparently these things are selling out and they're actually really limited. I didn't know that. Let's get back and actually take a look at these things. I still can't believe that I bought these. Wow, $1,083 after tax. I do have to say, I've never been in a Louis Vuitton store before. Customer service, excellent. They gave me a bottle of water, they put it in this nice bag, they put my receipt in an envelope. When's the last time you got your receipt in an envelope? So shout out to Louis Vuitton, great customer service. It comes in a beautiful box, and here you have the Louis Vuitton leather case. This is a really nice leather case. Put them in these awesome cloth, almost burlap sacks. You have the charging cord, I assume this is. Charging cord. Other sack you have, oh, that's actually really helpful. You have the extra rubber things, because everyone always loses your rubber things. Louis Vuitton gave you like 75 extra ones of these, so I don't think that's gonna happen. Inside the case is what everyone wants to see though, the Louis Vuitton AirPods. These retail for $995, sold out everywhere immediately. I was able to grab the last pair that they had at Louis Vuitton Soho. They come in this really heavy, like it's a quality heavy weighted case. It flips open like this, and inside you have them. This is the only colorway they had left. Would I have preferred the red? Probably. Look how tiny these are. I feel like I'm gonna lose these in a heartbeat. Like I fall asleep on a plane, you put them in your ear, you take a little bit of a nap, wake up and they're gone. What do? I haven't heard the sound quality yet, so before we get any opinions on these, I think we need to do that. Whoa! That's, you put them in your ear and it starts playing right away. Does that happen with the regular AirPod? Oh, it does. Okay, well that's not as impressive. That's pretty impressive though. Whoa. I know these aren't noise canceling headphones, but it feels like they're noise canceling headphones. So I was talking to the guy at Louis Vuitton. He says this is a professional audio company that collaborated with Louis Vuitton, and these would normally retail for around $370. This is the first audio test on the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones. Whoa. Okay, the bass is, that bass hits, and the bass is really good. Like you see a small headphone, you don't expect that. The high pitches and the snares and stuff do sound a bit metallic-y. Let's listen to some more. It sounds good. Like it sounds like it's surrounding you. It sounds like you're in a room with music. Obviously quieter, it's in your ears, but it's actually like a good headphone, which I'm a little bit surprised about. To be fair, there's lots of other good headphones, most notably, of course, the regular Apple AirPods. I don't think we can come to any conclusions before we also test those out and compare how they do. So here we have the regular AirPods. These retail for $160. Apparently you're rich if you have these. What does that make you if you have the Louis Vuitton ones? Am I like super rich? I don't know, I'm skeptical. I don't feel like these are gonna have as good sound, but they're probably gonna have better sound for the value of them. Let's check them out. Okay, it's not bad. It sounds a lot more muted. I can hear myself a lot more. These, it's good sound out of an earbud. It feels like you're listening to earbuds. It feels like there's sound being pumped in. It's a lot more dull. You don't get the sharp hits of the drums. You don't feel like someone is singing in your ear, whereas these, you actually felt like you're in the same room as whoever was recording that music. Not that these are bad. $160 for the AirPods, perfectly fine sound quality. I can't believe I'm saying this, except the price of these is actually sort of warranted by how good these sound. I mean, they're really cool, and I honestly cannot hear any of the downtown noise of Manhattan. I can't hear the cars honking, I can't hear people screaming at me, but I'm also terrified, like what if they fall out, or what if someone just runs past me and grabs them? This is $1,000 in my ear. Really good sound quality, and once again, I can't hear the cars honking, I listen to my music. Great product, but like, what happens if these fall out? I don't know how I feel about the actual practicality of these.
What? Fire!
I don't know if they're worth the money based on what I'm seeing.
How do you open it up?
Oh, you just flip it.
Oh,
These are nice, man.
I mean, they look nice.
beautiful. Have you tried them on yet?
Sure, they sound fine, but for that money, it's not worth it.
These are ridiculous, man. These are fire. You guys need to buy these immediately.
Did they have like more styles of it?
Two hours later of listening to the, I almost dropped them. Louis Vuitton AirPods, 2 hours listened on these, regular AirPods. Let's do the final conclusions and thoughts on what I think of the two products. Let's start off with the regular AirPod. Now, the price of these is $160. It's a lot more reasonable, still expensive for a pair of headphones. The fit, I don't like. It feels like it has the possibility of falling out of your ears. Not the best design in terms of sitting in your ear. The sound, once again, it was okay. It wasn't bad. Sounded a little bit airy, a little bit dull, and not like a professional headphone. The looks, all right. I actually do like how they look. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Not terrible, not great, just sort of a average looking regular white headphone. And then the value of them, it's $160. I don't really know how to rate that out of 10. So let's just say the value on these is not bad. Overall, would I recommend buying these? I mean, I probably wouldn't buy them, especially since I don't have an Apple product to pair them with, but they're cool. So switching from the AirPods to the Louis Pods, let's talk about these. The price, significantly more expensive. It's $995. You're spending an extra $835 to buy the Louis Vuitton version. The fit is excellent. It really locks into your ear. There's a rubber piece on the back that locks into the side of your ear, so it's almost impossible for these to fall out, which is great. The sound is exceptional again. It sounds like a professional level earbud. I'd give the sound around a 9 out of 10. The look of them, this color in particular, I'd give it an 8. The red ones I'd probably give a 9. They do look a little bit obnoxiously Louis Vuitton, which I guess is what you're buying them for. Not necessarily something that I like, but they don't look bad. I do like them better than how the AirPods look. So let's give the look an 8. And for the value, $995 for a good quality pair of headphones that has the Louis Vuitton logo all over it. I don't know how you can place a value on that. The value is the meme. You're buying these for the meme, you're buying these for the joke. And if you're buying these for the clout, I don't know, I just think that's a little bit cringy if you're buying these for the clout. If you guys are interested in picking these up at all, I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to buy these. Those have been my final thoughts on the Louis Vuitton AirPod. Am I still regretting my decision of purchasing these? Sort of. Thank you everyone for tuning in though. I appreciate every single one of you. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, hit that like button. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video. So until then, peace.